Daphne here from STEAM Design Lab with a quick tip on making newspaper tube spirals. Spirals are a great way to add a decorative element to any of your newspaper structures. Begin by simply grabbing one of your newspaper tubes and flattening it out. You'll want to select a single layer tube that hasn't been glued along the whole edge, just to make it a little bit easier. For instructions on how to make the tubes, check out our first video in this series. Next, you're going to start rolling from the end. In this case, I didn't trim the end of the newspaper tube before I got started. It makes it a little bit easier to start your spiral. The end of the tube will become the center of your spiral. Hold on to it between your forefinger and your thumb of one hand as you wrap the tube with your other. Continue to press the sides and roll the tube until you get to the end. Now, depending on how tightly the tube is rolled in the first place, this could be a little bit difficult for younger children to handle because it requires some strength. When you've got about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of tube left on the end, you'll want to apply a little bit of glue. You can squeeze it directly from the bottle or use a popsicle stick like I am to apply the glue, and then press it down. The glue dries fairly quickly, so you can just hold on to it for a couple of moments until it's secure, or you can just use a rubber band to hold it temporarily so you can move on to the next piece. To make a loose spiral, you're going to roll a spiral just like you did in the first step. But this time, when you get to the end, you're going to gently loosen the wrap until you have the shape that you want. Once again, put a little bit of glue on the end of the spiral and press it down. You could secure it with a rubber band, pinch the ends together with your fingers and hold it for a moment, or, as I'm doing, secure the end with a clothespin. Next, I'll show you how to do an open center spiral. Again, start with the tube that you rolled and press it flat. Grab a small round jar like this nail polish, or you could even try to use the cap from a water bottle. The size of the bottle or the cap you use will determine the size of the hole in the center of your spiral. Place the jar on the end of your tube and begin to wrap it around. Then apply a little bit of glue to the very end before you continue. This can get a little bit messy, so you might want to have a paper towel handy. Just keep rolling until you get to the end. You get the idea. I'm going to speed this video up a bit. Once again, glue the last inch or 1.5 inches, press it down, slide the bottle out, secure it with a rubber band, and you're done. In the next video, I'll show you how to attach decorative elements like these spirals to your newspaper structures. I hope you found this helpful. Happy innovating!